Safeguarding policies. A safeguarding policy is the organization's public commitment and operating manual for keeping people safe. A good policy is read, used, and reviewed, not filed. What every safeguarding policy should include: a clear statement of commitment, the legislation and guidance it is based on, definitions of abuse, neglect, exploitation, and at-risk groups, roles and responsibilities named DSL and deputy, with contact details, step-by-step reporting and referral procedures, how concerns are recorded, stored, and shared, allegations against staff or volunteers including LADO route, whistleblowing route, safer recruitment commitments, training requirements by role, code of conduct, professional boundaries, online safety, acceptable use, review date and version control, compliance requirements, annual review at minimum sooner if law or structure changes, board, trustee sign-off in voluntary and care organizations, visible and accessible. Staff, volunteers, and service users should know where to find it. Training linked to the policy at induction and refresh intervals. Quality test. Pick a frontline worker at random. Can they? Name the DSL. Describe the reporting steps. Find the policy in under 60 seconds. Name 2 indicators of abuse. If not, the policy is failing, not the worker. Try this. Review a safeguarding policy document, your organization's, or a public one. Score it against the checklist above. What's missing? What's strong?